Now to someone who only has one big problem: how to spend a whack load of money. A 35-year-old tech entrepreneur from Whitby, Ontario, is $55 million richer today. Dwayne Williams won a Lotto Max jackpot back in April, and today he's talking about the life-changing win.
Complete insanity happened the first 2 days. Complete insanity was scanning the OLG app 20 times, 30 times. I remember when I was doing the interview, they asked me, so how many times did you scan the app? I'm like, what? 30 times in the first 10 minutes? And, so complete insanity happened immediately. But as I said, fantasy win and actual win washes over you real quickly because you become extremely conscious about who you are, what you're going to do, the example you're setting for anybody else who's in this position, family, So I still think I haven't, I'm being honest, I still think I haven't let loose yet into going, I can buy all this stuff because I'm still so conscious about being different and setting up my family and generation. I mean, this is a life-changing thing. And it's not just for me, it's for the kids and it's for the kids' kids, and if done properly.